If Firefox is showing the error "no playable sources found," don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This issue is usually caused by blocked media playback, corrupted cache files, DRM settings being turned off, or even an extension interfering with video loading. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is clear your cookies and cache. Corrupted temporary files can stop media streams from buffering or loading correctly, and clearing them often fixes the problem immediately. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window in Firefox. In the Time Range drop-down menu, choose Everything so you're clearing all stored data that could be causing the issue. Then make sure the boxes for cookies and cache are checked. Once that's done, click Clear, and after the process finishes, restart Firefox completely. This gives the browser a fresh start and can solve playback errors caused by old or broken data. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is DRM settings. Some streaming sites, including Netflix and Prime Video, require DRM or digital rights management to be enabled before protected content will play. To do this, click the menu button in the top right corner of Firefox, then select Settings. In the search box, type DRM. You should see an option labeled Play DRM-Controlled Content. Make sure that box is checked. If it is turned off, Firefox may block protected videos and you'll get playback errors instead of the content loading properly. After enabling it, go back and try the video again. Now let's move on to a deeper browser setting that can affect video playback. Type about config into the Firefox address bar and press enter. You may see a warning message telling you that advanced settings can affect stability. Accept the warning so you can continue. In the search bar on the about.config page, look for media source are enabled. Make sure this is set to true. If it's set to false, double-click it to switch it back to true. Then search for media.fragmentedmp4.use blank4e codecs and make sure that is also set to true. These settings help Firefox handle video sources properly, and if they've been changed in the past, they can absolutely cause the no playable sources found error. Once both settings are correct, close the tab and test the video again. If you still have the issue, the last major fix is to disable ad blockers or other extensions one by one. Some extensions can interfere with video players, scripts, or streaming sites and prevent media from loading at all. To check this, click the menu button again, then open Extensions and Themes. From there, click Extensions and look through the list for any ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or video-related extensions. Disable them one at a time and reload the page after each change. If the video starts working after disabling one extension, then you found the cause. You can keep that extension off for the site, or adjust its settings so it no longer blocks playback. At this point, most Firefox users will have solved the no playable sources found error. In summary, clear your cookies and cache, make sure DRM-controlled content is enabled, check your media source settings in about.config, and disable any conflicting extensions. These steps cover the most common causes and usually restore video playback quickly. If you want to support the channel, please hit like and subscribe because it really helps and lets me keep making more easy troubleshooting guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.